What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is me, Treshels, and today we are going to be recording a type of video that I haven't done in over a year. This is the speed up and spin down comparison series. This is where I turn all the fans on at once and then turn them off. You can see the spin downs or speed up, and you can compare noises as well, like which one's the loudest. You can dissect a lot of things by doing this, so I've been doing them here and there. I just haven't done that in a while because I don't think anyone cares. But the reason why I'm doing this is because these are the three newest fans that I have. Specifically the two on the left. The other one I've had, but I just finished it. It was a project fan that didn't get done until recently. So these are, the three newest fans that I can kind of use now. These are the most recent projects, I guess you could say. So I want to do it. So here we go. I'm going to have to shut this door because otherwise it's going to swing open. So, forgive me, it's been a year. I don't really know how to do this. I think I just turn them all on, surge protectors off, and then I click the button on there and go from there. Now this fan had a knob. If you watched the restoration video, I don't even know if that worked or not. The original knob to that fan broke. I had to put a screw through it and try to redneck it back together. It didn't really work, so I'm gonna have to try a couple new methods. But for now, it does not have a knob, so that is that. Just a little insight on the fans, if you're wondering. The one on the very left is a blue. It used to be green, but now it's like a factory blue. Galaxy 3713 from 1974, I think. And then the fan in the middle is a GEX or GEX. But it's really actually just Frigid. It's a reskin of the Air King or Monarch Air with the Star Hub type of fans. The motor in this fan just didn't work. If you want to know more, there's the restoration video. So we actually are running the Champion motor in that fan right now. So the performance is going to be staggering. And then the fan on the very right, that bright orange one, used to be that green 3723S. That I rescued from the garage ceiling of my other grandparents. That was a 2-year-long project, and I finally just got it repainted recently, which is that nice orange color, and it got a new motor. So that is that. So let's turn them all on now. This is the iconic moment, if I can do it. Wow. I noticed the orange one is the fastest to get up to speed. The blue one is the slowest. The one in the middle is actually, I think, the quietest. It's hard to tell. It's actually not as much air as I thought. It's decent. Alright, let's turn them off now. Now this, for me as a collector, is really interesting to see the spin downs because these are the most three recent fans I had to work on. So seeing the spin down kind of matters. Oh wow, yeah, none of them were, the blue one's the best one, the other two are not that great. Yeah. Interesting. The one in the center of the motor is crap, so I don't care about that spin down. That's going to have to get replaced anyway. The one on the left hasn't even ran for a long period of time, and the one on the right, I think, just needs a little bit more oil. Alright, let's move down to the low speed. So just so you can compare what, the quieter fans are. There's got to be something easier than pliers, right? Because that's really kind of tedious. Okay, we're on low now. Let's turn all the fans on at the same time. Interesting spin down coming from the right hand side. Wow, that's actually really quiet. The loudest fan is easily the orange one, so let me actually turn that one off. Let's see which one's quieter. Well, I don't know, those are really quiet. See, vintage fans are better, honestly. That one's vintage too, but these are like old school vintage, you know, 70s. That's really cool. Yeah, that blue galaxy I think is the best performer here. That and maybe the orange one. It's hard to say. And now we're gonna kick them off. The search projector is kind of goofy. Yeah, that orange one had the longest spin down out of these three for a little while. Okay, so now it's about the same. That was kind of weird. So yeah, I mean, that's basically what this video is. You got to see, you know, the ones that speed up the most. You know, you could hear the audio, like which one's the loudest. I think the quietest fan of all of them has got to be the one in the center. The Jax is like really quiet on high, especially. And then, you know, the Blue Galaxy might be the loudest on high, but the loudest on low is the orange one. So, I mean, it's kind of cool. You know, it's just a little performance comparison video. And I figured I would do the 3 most recent fans or projects. So, yeah, that is that. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'll see you guys in the next one.